So, good day everyone. So today we will talk about the quality control, which is the chapter 10. So, quality control is a way to make sure that product or services meet the right standard. So, ibig sabihin, tinitingnan natin kung maayos ba yung gawa, kung safe ba, at kung pasado ba sa requirements. So, importante din yung quality control para maiwasan ang mali, para mas satisfied ang mga customers at hindi sayang yung materials or effort. So, why we need quality control? So, kailangan natin ng quality control dahil nakakaiwas tayo sa defect and napapabuti yung consistency ng product and mas nagiging safe at reliable ang output. And mas natutuwa yung mga customer kasi maganda yung quality. And nababawasan din yung mga gastos sa pag-ayos or pagbalik ng products. And nagiging competitive din ang company sa market. So, isa sa mga main part ng quality control ay yung inspection. So, inspection means pag-check ng product or process kung tama ba o may mali. So, pwede itong gawin ng workers, machines, or both. And ang goal ng inspection is para makita kaagad yung problem habang maaga pa. And mas mabuti ito kaysa sa ma-discover ng customer yung mga defect. How much to inspect? So, hindi lahat ng product is kailangan i-check isa-isa. So, kailangan i-balance. For example, is yung hindi sobra, hindi din kulang. Kung critical yung product, for example, yung food or machine, so mas marami yung inspections. Kung simple lang yung item, pwede din siyang slight or konti lang. So, how often to inspect? So, there are three main na kailangan na nag-inspect. So, first is before production. So, tinitingnan dito yung kung raw materials, kung yung raw materials is okay ba. And second is duration production, kung para mas makita kung stable and process. And third is after production, kung final check bago ilabas yung market. So, where to inspect? So, we can inspect supplier to check materials, sa start ng production, sa gitna ng process, and sa end ng line bago pa yung packaging, and bago i-deliver sa customers. So, ang purpose dito ay siguraduhin na lahat ng step ay maayos. On-site versus off-site inspections. So, when we say on-site inspection is ginagawa sa loob ng company para mas mabilis mag-decide kung may mali ba. And while yung off-site inspection naman is ginagawa ng third party o lab outsider the company, or mas objective at mas accurate minsan. So, SPC or the statistical process controls. So, the SPC is monitoring the process using statistics. So, ginagamit ito para makita kung stable at consistent ang process. Kapag may variation o biglang nag-iiba yung output, mabilis itong makita sa data. So, process variability. So, lahat ng process is may variation. Hindi lahat ng products exactly the same. So, may dalawang klase ng variation, which is the common cause. Ito yung natural variation na normal lang. And assignable cause na ito yung mga problema na dapat ayusin kaagad. So, the control process has a 6 steps. So, first is identify what to control. Second is choose how to measure. Third is set the standard. Fourth is measure the actual result. And 5, compare the result to the standard. And 6 is fix the problem if there is an issue. So the control chart are graphs used to track performance over time. So they show if the process is still normal or ongoing out of control. So may tatlong main lines. So first is UCL or the upper control limit. The second one is the LCL or the lower control limit. And the third one is CL or the center line. So kung lumampas yung data point, ibig sabihin may problema sa process. So the control chart for variables. So there are chart measure things like weight, height, length, temperature, and time. So for example, is yung X bar chart or the R chart. So the run tests are used to check if the pattern is random or not. So kapag hindi random yung pattern, may possible problem na in the process. Ito yung mga nag-alert kung may unusual behavior. Process capability measure if a process can meet the specification consistently. If capable yung process, ibig sabihin kaya nitong gumawa ng product that meet the standard. Kung hindi capable, kung hindi ito capable, dapat i-improve yung process. So, in conclusion, quality control is very important in any businesses. It ensures good quality, safe products, and happy customer. It prevent companies' reputation with inspections, SPC control chart, and process monitoring. Companies can maintain high quality and standard performance. That's all. Thank you.